All right, we have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a stunning 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible. 17,000 original miles, all original paint. Super, super nice car. Just a stunning example. White with red guts. Just a beautiful car. Killer color combination. Original paint, still very nice. There was a little chip there, teeny chip there. We will touch that up, but just super nice car. Got the bigger whites on it. Tires are new. Do have a hard boot, parade boot that will go with it. There are a couple scratches on that, so that's getting repainted. The hard convertible boot, so that will go with the car. Just nice car. All the chrome, the trim, the bright work is really nice. Teeny little scuff there, I'm being picky. Very nice car. Interior is in fantastic condition. There's a couple little chips right there. Tiny one's been touched up. Just a really nice car. You'll find all these pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Want to pick up the phone? Call 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Again, that's 314-346-6039. Be happy to answer any questions that you have. Another small chip there. Again, we will touch that up. All the chrome, the trim, the bright work is still very, very nice on the car. Nice original. That was just a little speck of something. Top's in great shape. Top goes up and down, no problem. There's a couple chips right there. Again, I'm being picky. We'll touch those up, but super nice car. Original paint, original interior. September of '75. Look at that steering wheel. Just fantastic. 17,872 miles. Put the top up. We'll take it for a spin. Love this car. Again, 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. If you'd like to fly in, we'd be more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your itinerary, and We'll pick you up at the airport. And more than happy to put the car up on a lift, take it out for a drive, make sure it's a good fit. But yeah, just love this car. Glass back. Let's take this for a spin. And 17,872 miles. Just got it in, so we'll do a full service on it. You'll find close to 100 pictures of this car. www.westportautocenter.com.
Yeah, I can feel it.
I know there was a ticket in there that was recently serviced and converted to 134A. What a great car. Great miles on it. The last year for the big convertible Cadillac. I think it was the last year that General Motors made a factory convertible Cadillac. Some of the other ones were conversions at different companies. Yeah, definitely the most desired. What a great color combination, white with red interior. Again, if you want to fly in, we're more than happy to pick you up. Just forward us your itinerary. Pick you up at the airport, take any one of our 3 warehouses. Take the car out for a drive, we'll put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. If we need financing, we have great financing companies, 3 of them that we use. They're on their website, www.westportautocenter.com. Just make sure somebody don't come flying out on us. Just love how these things drive. That's fantastic. Missouri, which is suburbs of St. Louis. We're about 25-30 minutes from the international airport, which is St. Louis International, Lambert International. They are one and the same. And fly in, pick you up. If you need financing, just go to our website. So it's 10% down. Credit. You know, it's like anything. You have good credit, you can get a loan on these. Great terms, great rates, very, very competitive.